uThemba kunogeli omusha sha ofikile emsebenzini wakhe. uThemba uyambuka lo geli, uchazekile, uchazwa yilo geli. Hayi lo geli vele nje uyambona uyimisela emsebenzini wakhe. uThemba azagcine esemcele ama-out lo geli. Hayi-ke ngicela ukunitshela ukuthi afika libeke kudaba asho ukuthi uthathekile nje uyafisa engathi mhlawumbe bangabheka ukuthi kungenzeka yini ukuthi bazame something. Ake ngicela ukunitshela ukuthi esikhathini esingengaki uThemba besejola nalo geli and emjolweni wakhona kube mnandi. uThemba avelana abona ukuthi cha phela lona umama wasendlini, umama wasekhaya lo umuntu ekumele ngimenze unkosikazi. Axoxela icolleague yakhe uThemba ukuthi ayi sengicabanga ukuthi ngimthathe usibanibani ngihambe ngiyomlobola. Sengiplana ukuthi nje ngihamba ngiyomlobola, incwadi isiphumile, ngiyahamba ngiyolobola ngosuku olukuthi ngiyolobola ugel wami uzombusa igama la gel. Hayibo athukeke uLebo athi uyolobola uzombuso. uLebo noZombuso baqhamuka endaweni eyodwa. Uyolobola uZombuso intombazane enje avelane adini uThemba athi vele uZombuso washo ukuthi nina niyamjaja ngakubo, ninomona nimdlela umona. Ubeka show ukuthi wena ngoba nisuka endaweni eyodwa uzofika umdlela umona mangabe usuthola ukuthi sekunencwadi yamalobolo ephumile. Wathi angingakutsheli ngoba vele uyakwazi ukuthi noma nikhula wawuhlezi umdlela umona. Ngisho noma esethola umsebenzi lana uzamile ukumvalela ama-channels ukuthi angathola umsebenzi la. uLebo-ke ehlikele ngezansi athi hamba Juba bayokuchutha phambili. Angempela usenenkinga-ke manje uThemba mangabe kuwukuthi uselobolene phela noZombuso. Shukuthi kahle kahle sebeshadile. Usenenkinga yokuthi hayi man uZombuso mangabe kuyiwe enkonzweni ekamero ufuna tot akasakwazi ukulala uThemba. uZombuso nje uhleze efuna inkonzo yekamero useze waphuka iqolo uThemba. Shukuthi uThemba kusaxoxela umngani wakhe emsebenzini uLebo ukuthi hayibo wemngani nami awungixoxele kuphunywa kanjani kule nkanakana yenkahlakahla yenkinga engaka. Sengiphuke iqolo nangu ugeli ufuna nje ukuthi kuyiwe enkonzweni yekamero ubusuku nemini. Alikhipheke uLebo iphepha asho ukuthi izizathu sokuthi ngangithi mina ngangikubuza ukuthi usho ukuthi uyolobola ugeli. It's because ugeli la asuka khona endaweni abafana bekade bebangisana naye ngaye. Ugeli nje uyintombazane nje elehla lenyuka, esehla senyuka isikhindi sangezansi ngoba uyayithanda imgibe. Uma wakhe wamthatha wamyisa kwenye indawo yokuthi abafana bahlanye ngaye, bamthande kakhulu. Leyo ndawo-ke yenza ukuthi imithi yakhona ihambelana nokuthi intombazane kuzomela nje ukuthi iyithande inkonzo yasekamereni. uThemba abe confused ukuthi yena umuntu wakhe wazi nje kuwumuntu olungile akaze nje ambambe nomuthi. Ake ngicela ukunitshela ukuthi uThemba mangabe sebuyele endlini usefika uyamtshela kunkosikazi ukuthi hayi bo phela uLebo lapha emsebenzini uthi wena noma wakho hayi niyawushaya umuthi anudla umuthi wena nje kuyathakathwa kuphilwa ngobuthakathi. Ake ngempela kwathi uThemba mangabe eqeda ukutshela unkosikazi wakhe uZombuso loludaba athi uZombuso you know what umuntu wami le ntombazane kade ngakutshela ngaye ngathi iyazonda. You know what to do. Ungamtsheli lutho. Ubomtshela ukuthi nje wena uyahamba uyofuna usizo manje umndeni wakho uthi uyofunela usizo. Ungamtsheli ukuthi umtshenile, ungamxoxela ukuthi mina sengiyazi. Mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngizoyisolva kanjani le ndaba. Afike emsebenzini uZombuso aphambanisa amakomishi, aphambanisa izinto zikaLebo. uLebo njalo uthola ama-warnings usenze ukuthi kanti uZombuso ophazamisa izinto zakhe uLebo. Ayiqede lapho uLebo azagcine sexoshiwe-ke manje emsebenzini. Usephelelo umsebenzi. Ayike uZombuso bamfaka kwiposition lade kusebenza khona uLebo ukuthi usezosebenza very close noThemba. Ayike uLebo avelane athole omunye umsebenzi kwenye i-department engaseni department le efana nayo le ekhona khona uThemba. Sho ukuthi abasasebenzi-ke manje abasasebenzela inkampani eyodwa. Usesebenza kwenye inkampani uZombuso. Ayike uZombuso iyathi ngaphuma imali yakhe la kade esebenza khona uZombuso imali ayiqhufuzele ayidlele yona imali. Angamtsheli uThemba ukuthi imali useyidlile. Ayasebenza endaweni entsha uZombuso. Uyabona uThemba uyena obhekela wonke ama-responsibilities endlini, uyena othenga ukudla, uyena okhokhela indawo abahlala kuyona, uyena okhokhela imoto. Nozombuso naye usenemoto yakhe, uyena okhokhela imoto kaZombuso, uyena okhokhela imoto yakhe uThemba, azagcine sekumele ukuthi aphinde futhi amuphe ne-wife allowance. UZombuso lento yakhe uyahamba uyoyi-update, yabona sho ukuthi uyovuselela lo muthi lo awuthathayo. Uma wakho uyahamba womlandela umuthi la awulanda khona, abuye uZombuso afike avuselele lo muthi leyo. Mangabe ephuma kovuselela usuke ebaba ha inkonzo yekamero, usuke ifuna ngisho noma inkawu 10 ngelanga. Kutholakala ukuthi uThemba Nkosi yami akasakhoni, sekubhlungu lona, sekubhlungu neqolo, sekuvuvukele ngisho nezinyawo, akasakhoni ukuthi kuzomela enze inkonzo yekamero 10 times a day, ngoba kumele avuke nasemsebenzini. Akusafokhaseki kahle, umuntu ukhathele nje, iqolo libhlungu, akusahlaleke esihlalweni, kushisa iqolo nayo impahla phela ibuye ibe buhlungu nayo mangabe kuwukuthi isisetshenziswa kakhulu. Kwale ngisho noma uZombuso esefakela uThemba amaphilisi ukuthi amaphilisi yokuthi nje into yakhona ihlezi ifuna njalo, kuvelane nje kunqaba umzimba, ngisho noma into siyafuna kodwa umzimba unqabe, uThemba engasakwazi ukuthi asebenzise umzimba wakhe ukwenza yonke lento le, ngoba everyday ziyakhala intombazane, akulalwe ebusuku ubugungqugunqu. uThemba usenkingeni mani, uyambona useze waba ngisho naney'gobhe ebusweni, usezace ngisho nokuzaca emzimbeni, ngoba ekhaya ziyabuya. Yabona nje uthi engena esangweni intombi ibimnqaka. Kwasho ukuthi uThemba sometimes akusenzeki khona. Ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi uZombuso wagcina esephumela ngaphandle, ese-cheater, because mangabe lento le eyifuna usuke eyifuna okwangempela. Shukuthi njengoba uZombuso esejola, eselontunja ngaphandle, esephumele ngaphandle, le ndoda la aphumele ngaphandle kuyona omunye usomabhizinisi onemali. uZombuso ajole nalo somabhizinisi, kucaca ukuthi usomabhizinisi-ke manje indlela uZombuso aperforma ngayo usomabhizinisi usethathekile-ke manje, useyamthanda kuZombuso. Somabhizinisi usesenkingeni, usethanda umfazi womunye umuntu. Into ezothiwa-ke lento le, yabona isibheve sasomabhizinisi, into engasabi lutho, into nje ibona ukuthi iyadubula, ithi oseyishayila akakayosi, oseyosila akakayidlo, oseyidlile usedla icala. Ithi nje lesibheve mina nginqena ukukhipha unkosikazi endodeni, ngimthathe nje ngimlobole njengosheleni, ngimlobole kube owami lo nkosikazi, ngibuyisele iy'nkomo zakubo kale ndoda. Nasi isibheve-ke manje sesithi nje uZombuso, sesifuna ukuthi uZombuso kube unkosikazi wakhe. uZombuso phela ngishadile mina, uyagoduka uZombuso ntambama. Isibheve-ke nasi-ke isibheve sizomlanda, sifike nje sibange umsindo emzini wenye indoda kuze kubizwa amaphoyisa. uZombuso aphika athi mina angimazi lo muntu, kuze kubizwa amaphoyisa, abiza amaphoyisa uThemba. Njalo isibheve sizolanda uZombuso kuze kubizwa amaphoyisa, senzelwe i-protection order isibheve. Lapho uZombuso uyaphuma emini ahamba esibheveni, akhulelwe kuZombuso la inkinathela inkiyatheka yavela khona. Isibheve sesifuna ingane yaso-ke manje, sifuna ingane yaso, sifuna ukuhlala nengane yaso. Akwazi ukuthi ingane kabani. uZombuso akazi naye ukuthi ingane between la madoda lawo mabili, indoda yesibheve noma indoda ekaThemba endlini. Uyakhala uThemba uyakhala endlini ukuthi bafuna ukungithathela unkosikazi, uyamthanda unkosikazi uThemba, ukhalela unkosikazi, usefuna ngisho nokuthi azaqashe iy'nkabi mhlawumbe ukuthi zingamdubulela lesibheve, ngoba engathi siyinkinga ohambweni lakhe nonkosikazi emshadweni, engathi siyamphazamisa impela. Uyakhala uThemba. Shukuthi uZombuso agcine ehambe nengane eyohlala nesibheve, amshiye uThemba. uThemba Nkosi yami wehayiza, wenqenqetha wakukhala iBlue Bay yonke uThemba, engazi ukuthi into azoyithini le. Ucela abantu bamsize bamtholele isolution ngoba akazi ukuthi yini into azoyithini le. Umndeni wakaThemba umtshela uThemba ukuthi lalela Themba, kukhona la esingakutholela khona umuthi wokuthi ubuyise lo nkosikazi abuye endlini, angabe sasifuna isibheve, ahlukane nesibheve. Hayi ngempela kuThemba ahambe-ke nomndeni because uThemba was very very desperate. Wefuna ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe abuye. Lapho ufakelwe i-protection order ukuthi angasondeli kunkosikazi, angasondeli esibheveni. Ake ngicela ukunitshela-ke ukuthi uThemba kahambe-ke manje uye enyangeni. Ake mekafika enyangeni uThemba kanti uzofika aphalaziswe enziswe izinto liphume idliso wedliswe ngalo ukuthi ayifele afe njalo, afe ngozombuso, ayithandela uzombuso. Ayi mangabe buya uThemba uyayibuza ukuthi ngifike kanjani la, aka-understand ukuthi ufike kanjani. Avelane nje ayiyeke indaba yakazombuso, athi uzombuso usesebenza kwenye inkampani, akasasebenza the same company as Themba. Ayeke ngisho kwakukhokhela imoto, ayeke ngisho nokukhokhela imoto uThemba imoto kazombuso. Uzombuso mangabe sekhuluma ngesigwilini usiphela imoto yami kwamele ukuthi ikhokhelwe kanjani imoto yami ayikhokheliwe. Isigwili esicaca ukuthi sona asingeni indaba yokuthi kukhokhelwe imoto kazombuso. Ake uzombuso athathe uhambo oliye ekhaya. Uyovuselela-ke manje ekhaya ukuthi nasi isigwili sinokuthi sinqabe nje izinto ukwenza izinto. Hayi ngempela kuvuselelwe-ke umuthi esigwilini. Kuthela umuthi-ke vele uzombuso indoda athandana nayo isuke nje izohlanya naye, walala naye uzohlanya. Sho ukuthi umuthi wongakwazanga ukuthi umenzise lo ukuthi enze yonke into afuna uzombuso because lo muthi bu-divided, bukade ufavor kakhulu indoda ngoba beselale kakhulu nendoda yakhe. Ake mangabe seyolanda umuthi-ke usewulande specifically for isigwili. Hayi ngempela-ke isigwili-ke ngicela ukunitshela-ke simkhokhela imoto, simenzele izinto uzombuso. Kucaca ukuthi uzombuso usezofuna i-divorce ngale azoshada lana ngokusemthethweni because bekade bekeep itile ngaloso sikhathi. Ake ngempela kuthiwa kusakulo process kuvelane kuvaleke amathenda-ke ngaloso sikhathi, kuvaleke amathenda esigwili because bese umasipala busuphethwe enye inhlangano, ungasaphathwanga enye inhlangano. Avaleke-ke ukuvaleka amathenda esigwili. Kuvela obala ukuthi isigwili kahle kahle asisona isigwili, just that bekade sinamathenda. Ake uzombuso-ke esebuyela emuva kuThemba, phela uThemba uyasebenza, uyakwazi uku-afforda zonke izinto. Mekabuyela emuva ufika uThemba akasayingeni. uThemba uselaphekile, akasahlanye njengoba wehamba ayoma ngaphandle kwama-gates, ngaphandle kwama-gates akwakhe usigwili lo. Akala ama-meters ukuthi kuthiwa ungasondela emamitheni amangaka, akala ama-meters amangaka, abone ukuthi la imoto ngizoyibona imoto kazombuso idlula, ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume naye. Methi uyabuyela uzombuso kuThemba, kucace nje ukuthi uThemba akafuni lutho, umfaka amaphepha e-divorce. Umfaka amaphepha e-divorce, nasi isigwili simfuna la uzombuso. Simfuna lana isigwili sesibroke-ke manje, isigwili sesibroke simfuna la uzombuso, sifuna ukuthi abuyele kuyena. uThemba-ke wasizakala kanjalo-ke, waphunyuka kanjalo kuyena uzombuso. Only to find ukuthi nengane le kwakuthiwa eyakhe akusiyona eyakhe uThemba, eyaso isigwili esesibroke njengamanje. Family, before ngivale indaba, ngivalelise endabeni, kunento lana ekudala ngiyicabanga ne. Kunento ekudala ngiyicabanga for isikhathi eside. Ngiya-understand and I highly appreciate. I appreciate each and every member of this family, yabona, esinayo, especially kakhulu abantu abafikayo nakwi-YouTube channel yethu. Like I appreciate and ngiya-appreciate uthando labo, ngiya-appreciate ukuthi sindawonye sisonke kulento yokuphusha iBuzz SA ukuthi iye phambili, sumndeni somphakathi sinto eyi-one. So family, I feel like ukuthi indlela engixoxa ngayo itori kwisiZulu ngicomfortable vele ngesiZulu because isiZulu isona ngikwazi ukusikhuluma kahle. Kodwa ngifile ngazi ukuthi kwi-audience ya ku-YouTube maybe ngiyayilimita ukuthi angikwazi ukufinyelela kwamanye amazwe, like angikwazi nje ukufinyelela yonke indawo umhlaba jikelele. I feel like ukuthi izitori zami ngizenza kube yinto yala ekhaya kuphela, yabona. Only to find ukuthi zikhona ezinye izitori abantu internationally abangayi-enjoya futhi abangayithanda, and nami lezo zitori lezo ezingenza i-growth, zenza ukuthi iBuzz SA yethu ikhule because abantu globally abas-understand isiZulu lesengisikhulumayo. So I've been thinking ukuthi kunganjani ukuthi ngizoqhubeka ne-content yesiZulu because isiZulu yona into engicomfortable ngayo engisuke ngiyisho uma ngabe ngixoxa ngaso isitori ngizoqhubeka nje itori zami ngixoxe ngesiZulu as usual. Mase kuthi the same story ngiphinde ngisixoxe nge-English. Mengiqala mina uxoxa izitori, like when I started to tell the stories, like bengiyixoxa nge-English, but people they commented and they complained but English yami is broken. Well, yes, babekhuluma iqiniso, bebengakhuluma amanga ukuthi vele English yami is broken, grammar like all over the place, and pronunciation is not proper because English is not my native language. So like I've been doing a lot of thinking ukuthi like ngithatha isinqumo sokuthi ngiyilimite. If the grammar is not in place or English is not in place, so what? Because people globally, they are not interested in good English. Their main focus isekuxoxweni kwestory ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani authentic it's a story not on the grammar, because like globally babili bathathu it's not everyone English home language or language yakhe first language yabona. Even English is also my second language. So why am I allowing those people who judged me during 2020 when I started? Because like my content was in English during 2020, and I had to divert from English to my home language, to my native language, because I was judged a lot online. But I had a lot of followers all over. It was not only South Africans and people from Zimbabwe and Botswana. It was all over the world. So I had to convert and speak and tell my stories in Zulu because like I was judged a lot online, and I've lost a lot of followers all over the world. So guys, I'm thinking of telling my stories in isiZulu and English, even if my English is not perfect. It doesn't matter most. I don't care. If maybe there is someone like Ungizwe, umuntu okhuluma isingisi asibhodoloshe, angabi namahloni ayithembe kulento ayishoyo, mina pho ngisabani. You understand? So I feel like maybe I am limiting myself, I am limiting my growth. So guys, going forward, this is what is going to happen. I will deliver my content in isiZulu name as usual, and maybe the following day I will deliver the same content in English, or vice versa. I'll deliver the story in English the first day and then the following day in isiZulu, just vice versa like that. On my thumbnail or maybe on my title, I will say English version or I will say Zulu version, so that you can understand which version you prefer. But even if you can watch both, I will highly appreciate, because more views and more growth for us. Because when YouTube see that people, they do watch our content, they forward, or maybe they forward like our content to more people. So I know maybe most of the people, they are not going to like how I sound in English. So if you don't like how I sound in English, please make sure that you watch our Zulu content. Like, I'm not abandoning isiZulu. I'm not abandoning our Zulu content. I know I've built this page telling our stories in isiZulu, so I'm not just going to change over the night and start focusing more on English content, because we are who we are because of isiZulu. So family, please, if you don't like English content, bear with us. Just bear with us. Don't give us negative comments, because maybe, like, we don't know, like, the negative comments, if there is more negative comments, like, each and everyone who will be watching at that content now, they'll be looking at that content with a negative eye, based on comments, based on what is happening on the comment section. And please know, Tuti, most of the people, before they watch a story, they go to a comment section. Even me, sometimes I do that a lot. I go to a comment section during the story, or maybe even before the story to see what people are saying. So if we are negative on the comment section, maybe people from overseas or people all over the world will look at our content negatively. You know, I've tried to do the subtitles, and I've realized it's not going to work for me, because some people, they will just look at the story and they hear the isiZulu, and then maybe they will be lazy to read the subtitles. My English is not perfect, but I will learn as I go. I will improve like as we go, you understand? So, family, please follow us and share our content, and please assist us to grow, because when we grow, the revenue grow as well, and we are able to continue with eBuzz SA. Thank you very much, family. For more information, please follow us on our YouTube channel, Buzz SA, on Facebook, Buzz SA, Instagram, and TikTok. We are also there, Buzz SA. Siyanthanda kakhulu.